Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you QuickNote Rainmeter skin which will help us to increase our productivity, and as Jax says,
surprise, I'm back.
So Jax released brand new skin called QuickNote and he is a Rainmeter skin developer, so make sure to check him out on Discord, DeviantArt or Reddit. And before doing anything further, let's give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, VIPkeysale.com. From VIP Keysale, you can purchase original Microsoft Windows and Office keys, and also Steam, Origin, Uplay game keys, and many more in a very discounted price. Not only this, but you can use my special promo code TE20 to get extra 20% discount. As you can see, you can get yourself a Windows 10 Pro OEM global key for $14.35, which is insanely cheap. And with all that being said, check the links in the description down below. So this skin is actually powered by Rainmeter, so first of all make sure to have Rainmeter installed and then simply go to Jax core repository on GitHub. I will also put a link in the description down below. So then go to the Jax core is ending on RM skin and simply download this file. When you download this file, go to downloads folder and click on it to install this skin for Rainmeter, and then you will be greeted with this Jax Originals for Season 2 skin for the Rainmeter, which is, as Jax actually says, is an advanced hub for his skins. Here, go to the skins tab, and here we have QuickNote, which is his latest skin release for Rainmeter or for this Rainmeter skin. Then simply click on this one and click here for express installation. Right now QuickNote should be installed, and here click continue. Then once again click on QuickNote, and here you will have that we have QuickNote up to date and is currently in version 1.0. Then on the bottom left you will simply click activate skin, and as you can see this skin is already showing up. Then under general tab, here we have the activation hotkey, which is currently set on left Windows and W. So if I click on this one, you will see that we have skin up and running from the left right here. And if I click on this one and select one setting right here, you also can change this hotkey to whichever setting you would like. So use this hotkey in addition to dragging from top left of the screen. So simply if you want to, you can either disable or enable this setting. So simply drag right here from the left top corner and you will simply enable this skin as well. Then we also have amount of drag required to start, so we can increase or decrease this value, and also distance of panel from the screen edge. So as you can see, probably set right now to the 30 pixels, but we can either increase or decrease this setting as well. So it could be closer to your end of the screen or edge of your screen, and or it can be closer to your center of your monitor. Then we also have the behavior option, which show checklist dots. So if I disable this setting and once again enable our QuickNote program, as you can see we don't have checklist dots right here on the left, but I really like this feature, so I will enable it as well and simply click OK on this pop-up. Then we also have appearance tab. Under appearance we can change our font face. Currently is set on Poppins, but we can change this. For example, I will set it to Open Sans. And then we also have the skin scale. For example, I can set it to 2 or even a greater value. So if you want to, you can either choose greater value, or I think the 1 is the minimum value here as well. So I will just simply type in 2. And as you can see, it looks very big right now. Then we also have summoning animation, so we can disable or enable animation. And also summon animation duration is currently at 600 milliseconds. And we also have transitional animation, which can be turned off. Then we have color and fillings, but I will go through all of these settings, or these settings can change with our color scheme. But if you want to, you can either change your preferred color here individually of these specific settings right here. Then we also have color scheme, as I said earlier. Currently is set, I believe, to made by Jax scheme, the second one, which is pure black or OLED black. But I really like this one, almost the latest one, so this one, which is a little bit gray, and I think this one looks the best in my opinion. and it looks quite nice right here. But if you want to, you can either choose whichever color scheme you would like. For example, if I click on this one as well, this one looks quite neat as well in my opinion. If I close this skin and if I open it once again, as you can see, we have these options here as well. Then we also have the notes option. Right click to rename, left click to select, QuickNote or to-do list. So we can either, if you right click on this widget, you can either configure it in the core, so this is the Jax core module, or refresh it so it could be refreshed once again. But I think it currently has some bugs right now, so I think that Jax should fix all this issue in the next upcoming build of this skin for Rainmeter. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, subscribe to the channel would be much appreciated. And with that being said, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.